Today I sat at my PC as usual and wanted to create another video for you guys, and as I wanted to open up the Roblox website, this appeared. Yeah, therefore we are going to have an unusual video for today, which is not really Roblox related. So the topic we are going to talk about today has been bothering me for some months, and I do not expect many of you to support me in this case, but if you do, then you're a real support and I appreciate you. Alright, but before I start, I would like to give you some other information to make you understand my decision. So I started with Roblox development back then, somewhere around 2014 to 2016. I used to build in 2014 and my interests on scripting rose around 2015. It was always my dream to make my own projects. Back then, One Piece games were pretty much hyped and you had new games coming out of nowhere every week. And after playing many of those, I wanted to make my own. So I started with the development of such a game myself, but I lacked of experience and scripting knowledge. Therefore, I used to take free model scripts such as devil fruit spawners or devil fruits and edit some of the lines I was able to understand, and yeah, I made my own stuff out of it. And those were my first scripting attempts, if you want to call it like that. But I knew that this knowledge wouldn't be enough to come up with a whole game. Therefore, I ignored that dream of mine about the project and chased another dream called learning how to code in Roblox. I started watching videos about the basics. Back then, Fryaza's videos helped me out a lot. I also played his One Piece game called Akuma Kayaku 24/7. Shoutouts to him. And I just continued with that till I pretty much knew about most of the basics. Then I wanted to create more complicated stuff and had to read forum articles about it or watch anyone's videos. The thing I just want to point out is that you should not give up if you really want to attain something. Just keep on moving. Okay? So I think that most of you are in the same position as I was back then, and yeah, so that's my message to you. Okay, so I somewhat reached the point where I was able to create my own projects, but I sadly had no one playing them, which was the reason I started with YouTube. I wanted to help out others, but also benefit from it, as every YouTuber wants to, of course. My first video was about the creation of a devil fruit, I think, yeah, and it came out somewhere around 2015 to 2016, and it received many views. I have deleted my old videos from that time period and started completely new in 2019 with another video about a devil fruit creation. I wanted to do something development related on YouTube once again and decided to make this video. Back then I could not imagine the amount of support I would receive throughout these 2 years, and thank you for that once again. I just continued uploading videos till I got to this point, and yeah, so that's pretty much the history of the channel, guys. I have reached insane amount of views with my How to Make a One Piece Game series and Anime Tower Defense series and all of the other series I have already created on this channel, and I'm glad that a huge amount of people did watch those and were probably able to learn something from them. And no cap, I made a lot of profit as well, which I really appreciate. My channel has grown insanely fast, I made extreme amount of views, and I also made money out of it, okay? So I'm honest with you guys. And I have put years of coding experience in my videos and countless late nights in which I wanted to create a video for you guys. Doesn't matter if I had school the next morning, for example, okay? And I try to explain everything I do, and I do everything important from scratch, okay? When it comes to coding, for example, I really start from scratch and do not take any free models or so. And I do not want to speak for every one of you, but I have the feeling that some of you are not appreciating this, okay? And take a look at this, for example. Many of those who are watching are not subscribers, but even if they would have been subscribed, there probably wouldn't been a change. And some of you have already commented it, for example this person. So how is it possible to have this amount of views with this amount of subscribers? And how is it possible that others who just showcase your prepared model and barely explain anything receive so much support? Don't get me wrong, I'm happy about the few people who watch my videos, but I'm concerned whether the problem with the views is caused by me and the way my videos are, or the subscribers. If it has to do with the video or the videos, then write a comment explaining the problem you have with the video or the videos, okay? Yeah, my preferences have changed throughout the last years. I have gotten older, and I do not want this video to be only criticism towards you guys. I also wanted to announce a change regarding the videos. Yeah. I would like to experiment around with the topics, for example. My second channel, on which I have uploaded entertaining Roblox videos, for example, was an experiment as well, and I can imagine this channel right here to be pretty similar to my second one, okay? So, to bring some entertaining videos, for example, and do not think that I'm gonna completely cut the development videos, but I really want to try out something else. And I have made anime-related development tutorials throughout the last years, and as I've already said, I really would like to bring a change. And if you want to be a part of it, then stay subscribed. If you're skeptical after this video or even hate me, then feel free to do so. And with that being said, thanks for watching, thank you for your support, take care, and see you in the next video, guys.